Hello and welcome to this short demonstration on the Goods Received and Goods Shipped Not Invoiced reports developed by Sysco Software Solutions for Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. As the Stock Received and Stock Shipped Not Invoiced reports are no longer available, we saw an opportunity to fill this void by creating improved versions of the original reports. Whilst the filtered views that replace these reports have their benefits, the new options available via the Sysco app will allow the user to view the data as at any date. Let's view these reports and look at the goods received not invoiced. So taking a couple of purchase orders as examples. These two, if we look at the receipts, the first one has receipts posted in September 1st and 15th, and the second one has got receipts posted in August, both dated the 25th. So if we go back now and run our goods received not invoiced report, and we'll put in the date as the 30th of September. So whenever we preview this, let's just make this a little bigger. We're looking at the top items here, the whole roasted beans. And here you can see the details of the receipts. So it confirms the quantity received and the amount. Now if we go back and invoice one of those purchase orders, and let's just use this one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to post this report, and we're going to post it based on the posting date here of the 20th of September. Once that's posted, we'll go back and run the goods received not invoiced report again for the same date. But this time, because we're running it as the 30th, those purchase orders should have disappeared. So if we put it in again as the 30th of September, you'll notice now that there's a lot less information on the report because some of the receipts have been invoiced. So the benefit of this report is that if we were to run it again for a date prior to the invoice, so we'll run it for the 19th of the 9th, and if we do preview, you'll notice that our original information comes back. So this report has the flexibility to show you the standing of the data as at a particular date. And the same applies then on the sales invoices. So if we take a look at the sales orders, and I think again it's the last two sales orders here. So if we look at this, we have got shipments again 1st and 15th of September, and this one, if we look at the shipments, this one is at the end of August. So if we go back now and if we run the goods shipped not invoiced report, and again we'll put it in for the end of September, and we'll preview this, and we're looking at the bottom four items here, and again what we'll see here is we'll see the shipped quantity, and we've got our cost included. So if we go back now and if I invoice one of those sales orders, and we'll do this one. And we'll change our posting date, say, to the 19th. Or sorry, the 20th. And we'll just post this and invoice. So again, if we go back to our goods shipped not invoiced report, by putting in the same date now, we should have less data on the report. And you can see, yes, that indeed we only now have 3 lines. So we've lost a line because the original order has been invoiced. But if we go back and run that now prior to the date of the invoice, so if I put in, say, the 15th of September, you'll notice that the 4 lines have now come back. And those are properly displayed as at that date. So in summary, both the GRNI and GRSI reports can be used at month end to reconcile the GL, and the benefit of these reports means that they can be run at any date, providing values at that particular time. On a final note, thanks for listening, and for more information on this or any of our other apps, please visit our website at www.sysco-software.com.